there, it's Megan with WTI, and no matter what outdoor activities we're doing, I love to be totally stocked up with snacks. And this Coleman cooler is the perfect companion to make sure that I could do that. I know that this is not essential to its function, but I totally love the completely on-trend sage green color. It can hold so much food and drinks. If we're going out for an all-day beach day or even a weekend camping trip with just the two of us, this cooler can definitely handle all of our needs. The handles on each side of the cooler are really secure and sturdy, and they also have this rubberized grip, so transporting this cooler from place to place is a breeze. It keeps all of our drinks ice cold and all of our snacks fresh. We have a pretty long commute to the grocery store from where we live, so I also really like to keep this cooler in the back of our car so that our groceries will stay cool and not risk getting spoiled on the drive. My husband and I are totally thrilled with the function, style, and quality of this Coleman cooler, and I know that we are going to take it with us on so many outdoor adventures. And that's my point of view.